Good evening everyone. Today we are here to learn about few tips given the present scenario where the markets are not accessible or given the places we are posted to where the supermarkets are not nearby and we cannot purchase those market bought dips. We'll learn about few instant dips which are easy to whip up at home and even more tastier. They go very well with our steamed vegetables, act as a spread to our sandwich and toast, etc. So here we begin. The ingredients required for the dip are 2 medium boiled potatoes, salt, sugar, oil, milk, vinegar, curd, Szechuan sauce, mustard sauce, oregano, chili flakes and black pepper. One more important thing to remember is that potatoes need to be warm. They don't need to be frozen. If they are frozen, it will cause lumps. So it needs to be warm so that the texture is perfect and smooth. We will add all these ingredients, that is the potatoes, sugar and salt. They need to be as per taste. 1 tablespoon olive oil, 3 tablespoons of milk. Milk gives it a smooth texture, and half teaspoon of vinegar. We will put all the ingredients in a jar and give it a quick mix. After grinding it for a few seconds, this is the dip that we get. Now, as you can see, the texture is smooth and it is perfect. If you find the consistency to be thick, you can add few tablespoons of milk to make it little liquid. Then we'll be adding our mixed herbs, that is oregano. This is all as per taste, the way you like it. If you like more of pepper, you can add more of pepper to it. If you like spicy, you can add more of chili flakes to it. And then we give it a quick mix. Now we'll be making a little variation to our homemade mix by adding few different ingredients to it. For this, we take 1 tablespoon of our dip, 1 tablespoon of Szechuan and give it a mix. Then we take other tablespoon of this dip, add a tablespoon of curd to it and mix it. Mix it till it gets a smooth texture. And here our second dip is ready. The third and final one. We take 1 tablespoon of dip and add 1 tablespoon of mustard sauce to it. And here our 3 dips are ready. This homemade dip can also be replaced with store-bought mayo, but when this mayo is not available and kids are demanding, this homemade potato dip comes to our rescue and it is my personal favorite. Do try and enjoy. Good evening. Thank you.